Stacking Benjamins with Joe and his good friend OG. Great financial insight. It's laid back with humor too.
Stacking Deeds co-host Alan Cord. Property management companies are the ones with the lowest online reviews. They're typically comments from tenants saying they wouldn't let me break my lease early, or I had no one to talk to. Like, it's actually good. They wouldn't give me money for the coat.
You want your, soprano guy to be running your apartment building.
The Stacking Benjamin Show, available on YouTube or wherever you listen. The whole story read like something out of a Cold War thriller.
A bunch of outsiders descend on a sleepy town in the Ozarks to steal its prized fish. Undercover federal agents who launched a 3-year-long sting to crack open an international crime ring.
So who exactly were these characters? I'd heard rumors it might be the Russian mafia. I'm Helen Hollyman. This is the Paddlefish Caviar Heist. Get the podcast wherever